This is the last example I'm giving. What we're going to do is use auto notification and Nevolution and extension pack for Nevolution to intercept the notifications of the apps in Island so that Tasker can do stuff in response to those notifications being created, touched, or dismissed. If we launch Tasker in Work Profile, it gives you disappointing stuff. If you go to Event, UI, Notification, it says that Tasker wants to intercept your notifications, or needs to, but it doesn't have permission to do that. Also, the notification removed event and the notification clicked event, they require notification access or accessibility permission. So, how can we get around that? It's quite simple. All we have to do is open Nevolution, use the built-in decorative plugins it has, have it intercept the notifications from Tasker, Join, etc. And then we use auto notification to intercept those notifications. So after you've put into effect the decorative plugins you want for Nevolution, the extension pack for Nevolution will start intercepting its notifications and managing its notification categories, as you can see here. Anyways, let's go back to Tasker. This is a work Tasker. We need regular Tasker. Okay, create a profile, event, plugin, auto notification, intercept, configuration. We do apps, Nevo and Nevo down here. Nevo is Nevolution. Nevo is extension pack for Nevolution. There we go. Go back. Create a new task. Done. Add action. The first thing we should do is create a file with all of the data we want. Write file. I already have a text file here called autonotification.txt. For the text, we write all of the auto notification variables we want to keep track of. Like that. Make sure you hit append, save it, and then we can back out of Tasker after some of the variables have been created. We can look at them in the text file, and we can see what kind of info we have here. See, it's a lot of data, but the important variables we want are and package, and title, and subtext, and ID, and category ID. All of those are very important. So let's go back to our task, add an action. auto notification cancel, configuration for what we want to do. We need to go to advanced for ID. We do and ID. For tag, we do and tag. For package, we do the extension pack for Nevolution, and its package name I cannot remember. It's com.oasisfang.nevo.ext. Okay, and back out of that, save it, and add a new auto notification action. Auto notification configuration. What do we want? ID, not necessary, visibility and priority, no need to tweak that. Texts. For title, we do the variable and title. Okay, for text, we do the variable and text. For text expanded, we do and text big. For subtext, obviously, and subtext. Okay, for ticker, there's the variable and ticker. For title expanded, there's and title big. If I can find it on here. There we go. And we can use the back button. Now for actions. For command on create, let's create any unique word or string. I'll just say island create. Okay. Command on touch. Similarly, island touch. Okay. And command on dismiss. Island dismiss. Okay. Then we can go back, save that, save that, save that, save that, and create 3 new event profiles. One for each of those auto notification commands. Plugin, auto notification, configuration command filter. Hit OK. Island create. Exact command. OK. There we go. And done. Anything you'd like. For simplicity, let's do a say action. Say notification created. And then another event. Plugin, auto notification, configuration command. Okay. Island dismiss. Oops, I forgot to say exact command. Okay. New task. Same thing. Alert. Say notification dismissed. when we save it, and then event, plugin, auto notification, notification, oops, it's island touched. There we go. New task, done. Create a new task. Say notification touched. Then when we back out of that, it should save it